Brighton has drawn tourists looking for fun, adventures, and fresh sea air ever since the 18th century, when party-loving Royal George IV fell in love with the city. With its grand Regency squares and crescents, iconic royal pavilion, and well-known piers, Brighton is still well known for being a hospitable and diverse city with a passion for culture, creativity, and sustainability. What more could a city have to offer than art, live music, and entertainment, not to mention the ever-increasing number of independent stores, boutique hotels, and acclaimed restaurants? It turns out to be quite a bit. In addition to being right in the middle of a UNESCO World Biosphere region and having 8 miles of beach at its doorstep, it borders the magnificent South Downs National Park, which is also an international dark sky reserve. And getting here couldn't be simpler, only it's a 1-hour train ride from London and a half-hour train ride from London Gatwick Airport. Brighton, regarded as the UK's hippiest city, comes alive in the summer with festivals and events. There is much more to do in this city than just going to the beach or to shows, and we believe that when people only concentrate on those two activities, they really miss out on the charm of the city. For anyone looking for a quick getaway from London, Brighton is actually a fun place to visit all year long. Free to enter and a great place for afternoon inspiration, Fabrica Gallery is an artist-run visual art gallery housed in a former Regency church. The exhibitions change several times a year, and in the past they have featured large sculpture pieces, video installations, and shows of contemporary photography. You can find the schedule of shows on their website, since it is only open for special exhibitions. On weekend you can also stop by their brand new cafe for a beverage and a snack. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. St. Anne's Well Gardens is a stunning and sizable park close to the Hove seafront that gets its name from Jellybeat Spring, a spring with a heavy concentration of iron in the water. According to legend, the spring's water is made up of tears that a woman by the name of Anna Freda shed after discovering that her lover had been killed. Tennis courts, a playground, and lots of native and foreign trees can be found in the park. The park also has a tiny garden cafe. The oldest operating aquarium in the world is Sea Life Center, which has established in 1871. The new Day and Night exhibition, which includes a 24-hour window into what life is like in a coral reef and features blacktip reef sharks and stingrays, is the aquarium's main draw. The Day and Night aquarium's lighting changes as you move through it, allowing you to see the various species coexisting in various settings. Other activities include going through the Rainforest Adventure Zone and sailing a glass-bottom boat inside. The Lanes is a well-known location to experience the hippie Brighton vibe. There are many independent small shops, cafes and street art in this neighborhood, which is made up of winding streets and lanes. To find souvenirs, locate the North Lane Bazaar shopping streets and wander around.